Okay, this is a quick demonstration of the electronic gamer scoreboard that I recently created for some of the time travel homemade custom teams that have been made for the time travel baseball game. So what I'm doing is taking those teams and instead of printing them, I'm creating images of each of the individual player cards. And I'm going to add them into here. Right now we have the 1906 Cubs, 1927 Yankees, 66 Orioles, 77 Dodgers, and the 78 Yankees. So visiting team will be the first team you choose. In this case, I will choose, let's go with the 1977 Dodgers. And then I will go with 1966 Orioles. That'll be the home team. And I've got lineups entered. Obviously, you can change them. Any changes you make to the lineup, make sure you click on Load Lineups. And Load Lineups will also get you started for the game. I've written the names of the bench players that are available here. So after you've chosen your teams, make any changes you want, choose their position, and hit Load Lineups. Click this every time you make a change to the lineups during the game as well. This will take seconds, and then click Start Game. So this is not a full-fledged electronic scoreboard like I have put out in the past. This is just mainly designed with the focus on viewing the cards. So if you want to score on your desktop with your pad and paper like a lot of people do, you can just use this to view the cards, roll your own dice, or use the on-screen dice. It has a very simple scoreboard. The scoreboard, you have to literally click to enter a run, a hit, and errors. I don't have it where you can go backwards and decrement the score yet, but I can add that in there. You can turn the scoreboard off completely if you want. So I have the visiting team across the top, the home team across the bottom. So when the visiting team is batting, the opposing pitcher is highlighted. The others are darkened. Then you can use your arrows, left, right arrows to go through the batters. And with each left-right movement, you get a new fresh roll of the die for time travel baseball. So if you want to go backwards, you can do that. Whoever is the current selected card will be enlarged. When an inning is over, you can either click here, or you can use the up-down arrows. So I'm going to use the down arrow. And then, so if he's the last batter, I hit the down arrow. And then I'm at the first batter for the home team. And then just roll your dice. Again, you can turn the dice on or off. You can roll the dice on your tabletop. And there's nothing to enter in as far as walks, hits, strikeouts. There's no box score being kept here. This is simply to show the cards. And so your main keys are your left-right keys to go through each lineup, and your up and down keys to advance the inning. Every time I hit up or down, it's going to advance the inning. Or you could click on the cards. Conversely, you could click on the cards and do it that way, just the mouse. And you can click to change the inning, and that'll bring the other team up and the other pitcher. You can select a stadium from the stadiums that we have here. And this is to make changes to go back to the lineup sheet, lineup card. So if I wanted to put, say, Russ Snyder in left field, basically you just type in the name of the player. Hopefully that player card is correct. and put in their position and hit load lineups. So now Russ Snyder should be in left field. So when the home team is batting, this is how you view the fielders from the visiting team. So if I needed to reference, say, the catcher's card for the team that's in the field currently, it'll come up right here. Now if I change the inning, and again I do that with a mouse click here or the up or down arrow. Now the team's at bat, the home pitcher is displayed. And if I wanted to see a fielder that's out on the field for the Orioles, then I could reference that. Now we just put in Russ Snyder into left field. So he should be the left fielder. That's correct. And his card went in right there, second in the batting order. Right, okay. Okay, so that is in a nutshell. Okay, so again, how it works is it has the batting team shown and the team that's in the field kind of darkened. So if you want to see them all at the same size and all on, just click here. And then you can just view them all the same size and they're all at their regular brightness display. This return card, it doesn't have a whole lot of functionality. That's if you want to click and drag a card somewhere. It remembers the card that was clicked on and you can return that card to its spot. That's what return card is. So if you drag a card somewhere and you want to return it, you can just click on that. So if I start using the left and right arrows again, it will go through whoever's up or in the top of the inning, so the visiting team is up. Again, you can toggle the dice on and off. You get a fresh roll with each left or right movement. Up or down arrow moves the inning, so now we're in the bottom of the third, and brings up the bottom of the other team to bat. And again, you can go right through each batter. That, in a nutshell, is it. So it's just focused on displaying the cards, keeping score on your desktop, and making changes to the order, and using this very simplistic scoreboard if you want. Or you can turn the scoreboard off, as well as the dice. Okay, any questions? I'll take them on the forum. Thank you.